Hard out. This is me and my sister Hannah walking for a night stroll.
Because Hannah's bored at home.
Hannah, so we thought to go for a nice little stroll.
The fuck are you looking at? If you were a neighbour, bro, I shut the fuck up. Your car would have been okay all the way down there, bro. Yeah. I'm not from Masterton, I'm from the Hawke's Bay.
Hard out, she totes us, man. She totally is culture. This is the warehouse. And this is the area, back there is the area where I decided to go flying, and then I kissed the ground and sprained my wrist. Because, yeah, Tina forgot to bring her walking stick, her blind cane. And no, it's not raining. It stopped raining for now. Eh? Oh. You're probably thinking that we're nuts, but we're not. We're definitely not nuts, bro. This is our typical routine when we're together.
Oh no, it's just started.
Oh, Felix is watching. Hey, Felix. And somebody else is watching, which I don't. Hi, Felix, and whoever else is watching. Kia ora koutou.
Yeah, don't be looking at me too much, well.
Nice night stroll. Felix is watching.
Are you sure you're watching the road?
No. Not even watching where I'm going, and maybe I should actually. Hi, Felix. How are you doing? How's your day?
Don't let someone beat anyone up for you.
Yeah. Hi, Emma Warren. Long time no see on Facebook. So, what are you up to, Felix? What have you been doing today? Yeah, probably.
Come to where I live, bro.
I have no idea. Oh. Oh, yuck. Yes, it was. Oh. Hi, Felix. You said hi, and I'm saying hi back, but you want to not say anything back. All goods.
Don't worry, she's like that all the time.
Yeah.
That's why you don't message her.
Yeah, if you're not going to comment back or anything.
The comments are okay.
Comments.
You're alive.
Yeah, that's so true.
As you can see, we're alive.
Harder, I'm alive. My sister's alive. We're coming up to the gas station that always tends to get robbed. Or either robbery, people go in there with knives, guns, threatening for cash and smokes, or steal.
Nah. They're cussing back.
Yeah. You know, it's typical Masterton because it's a garage that's open 24/7. And yeah, that's the gas station over there that tends to get robbed and all this and that all the time. Typical bloody Masterton people.
No, but the kids just enjoying their night out because their mum and dad are drinking. So they thought they'd go big mischief too.
Yeah, and get in trouble by the cops because they got to realise that there's CCTV cameras in there. so they won't get away with much.
Hey, you, your boy race the ass out of me.
Vroom, vroom.
My town.
I love cars that go vroom, vroom. No, beep,
There
beep.
goes our friend.
Who?
That's his name.
Oh, Pup.
Yeah.
Yeah, good old Pup. Taxi man. So, who's watching? It says one person's watching. So, who was watching? Give us a holler in the comments below, bro.
And it doesn't mean go snooping on a page for my fucking photos either, weirdos. Heaps of cats talking shit. I've never, to the face, eh?
Hard.
Stop talking shit at your bum. You addicts.
Two people are now live. I'm wondering who they could be.
Don't know.
And I'll check my messenger soon once I decide to end this live video, which won't be until get to the roundabout type thing. Because nobody needs to know where I'm going. We're going.
Yeah, you got to go for a walk all the way to Carterton.
Oh yeah, hey, we should walk to Carterton and back. See how long it takes us to get there and back?
I'll get as far as to...
Oh.
Mine's like Anthony.
Will they definitely do that?
He's fucking got a good order.
Oh, how he's fit.
Here's Michael Street right there.
Oh. Yeah, but the lady hasn't even messaged back, so...
That's why I told you I knew where that street was.
Oh.
I knew exactly what it was. Because that's the one that we did that paper run down.
Oh, it was too. Oh, everybody's gone offline.
Because they all suck.
Hard out.
Not in a mean way.
No, you're alright. It's because they can't see my prettiness. My pretty face. They only see my sister's lovely pretty face and not mine. But I don't really give a shit.
I can make you famous if I really wanted to.
Hard out. But at the moment, making you famous, Bolt. The shit we do for each other. We look out for one another.
I would do the same with males. The males think they're bigger than me and they think that they can take on the whole world.
Ha, totally agree. And think they can use and abuse those girls.
Oh,
There's Kentucky Fried Chicken where Tina's going to do a TikTok. And then she's going to go get a little excited for that KFC go.
that's so all of people bad.
Oh, I saw on Facebook somebody saw excited about KFC so they ate like a chicken.
Do they want a bar?
Hey, who wants a bath with me in that bath? Anybody? Anybody keen to join me in that bathtub? And there's the liquor store. Yeah. Hey, my girl. Hannah, say hi to our girl.
So,
Ray Ray's just watching.
Mum, you're nuts.
You should probably all say, Mum, you're nuts. Why are you walking in the rain, you two bimbos?
Mum, what's going on?
Mum wants to go for a walk. So we decided to go for a walk and be bimbos. Cause chaos.
Can't cause chaos on the Saturday, they could do that.
Yeah.
They
Yeah. Oh God. Got a text. Yo, up to Wills from Carterton.
Well, tell them to come over here so I can go home. then I can give them a hide at the same time as they walking around.
Yeah. Right, thinking of ending this video, but we'll give you a text later, my girl. You have a good one, eh? Keep in touch. Love you.